goes.
This is a test of the Maryland Emergency Alert System. This is only a test. This drill is being conducted in conjunction with the Maryland Tornado Drill. This tornado drill is conducted to give Maryland residents the opportunity to exercise their tornado safety plan. This practice tornado drill will remain in effect until 11 a.m. There will be no follow-up statements issued. Those in Maryland should exercise their severe weather safety plans now. This test also serves as the Emergency Alert System required monthly test for April. Broadcasters, in cooperation with local, state, and national authorities, have developed this system to provide the public with important emergency information should the need arise. This concludes the statewide tornado drill.
That's the whole drill. Here goes Binghamton.
This is the National Weather Service office in Binghamton, New York. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems for northeast Pennsylvania and central New York. During dangerous weather events, your weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a loss or warning will follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding and tone alert systems.
I gotta plug this in like now. There goes.
This is a test of the All Hazards NOAA Weather Radio Warning Device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built weather radios will be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazards. Tests of these radios and the warning alarm system will be conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning
Surprise,
alarm...
Come on.
WXL-34. We activate this alarm for the following counties in New York State: Albany, Rensselaer, Montgomery, Fulton, Saratoga, Schenectady, Schoharie, Greene, and Columbia counties. This has been an alarm test. And now the hourly information from the Greater Northeast. Here are the 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.